Hello again, trendsetters. Let's get started. Right now you see me in the shower making sure that my hair is completely saturated and drenched with water. For this wash day, I'm using Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo. I really like it because it's for color treated hair and my hair has been a mess since I colored it. I'm working it into a lather, focusing on my scalp. And then once the lather is in my scalp, I'm working it down to the rest of my hair. Now I am following up with Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. And I really like it because it makes my hair super soft and easy to detangle. What I do is I split it in half, then I split that half into a half, and I work it through detangling as much as possible. And it really wasn't giving me a hard time. As you can see, my comb was kind of just sliding through my hair. And I section that off just so it's not in the way to do the back half. Now you see me working it through the section as a whole, and I showed you the comb just to show you that I'm having zero breakage, just kind of the dead hair from the week. And it wasn't a lot at all. And you'll see me repeat the process on the other side. Now I'm just working the product throughout my whole head, making sure it's evenly distributed before I go ahead and rinse it out. After it's all rinsed out, I dry my hair with a 100% cotton t-shirt. Now you see me oiling my scalp with As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Hair Oil. I'm just starting to add this into my regimen, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So I'm sectioning my hair. And now it's time for the detangling, which I don't have to do a lot of, and the moisturizing process. For this part, I'm just sectioning my hair in order to add the moisturizing product. Doesn't matter how many sections you do, this is just what I feel comfortable with. I'm using the Main Choice Heavenly Halo moisturizer, and I love it. It makes my hair feel like butter. And I think at this point in our lives, all of us naturals know about the diamond brush and how great it is at distributing product evenly. So then I just section that, put it away so I don't grab hair and like mess myself up. You can use clips, but I just use twists. And I'm repeating the process throughout my entire little head. Now that my hair is completely moisturized, I'm going in small sections with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I am coating it with a small amount, then following up with my diamond brush and doing a simple braid. Because when you do braids, the ends come out rather straight, I like to find the smallest cold rod at the beauty supply store and put it at the end of each braid. Probably about 1.5 inches I leave out. Sometimes I have trouble, so I have to redo it, but that's okay, as long as it gets done. And now you'll see me do the process again. I put the curl enhancing smoothie, spread the product throughout my strands with a diamond brush, and braided it down. And of course, I finish each braid off with the cold rod. So one more time, I put the product through, distributed it with the diamond brush, and braided it down. At the very end, I added the cold rod. And I basically do that for the rest of my little peanut. Hey, it's the next day, and all I did was sleep with a bonnet on. Now I'm taking down all of the cold rods. What I'm doing now is going over each braid with the As I Am Grow Hair Oil. I want to make sure that I pay special attention to my ends so that I can retain my length, and by the end of my journey, I will have no doubts that I took care of my oldest strands. As you take the braids out, your hands will start to get a little dry. Just continue to add oil until you're done taking them all out. Check the back out. Definition. Hooray! We finally made our way to the front. The best part, because you really start to see where it's headed and if you did a terrible job or not. Now that everything's all taken out, I'm going in with the Kinky Curly Smooth set and the oil, and furthermore taking apart each braid to make it look fuller and more cuter, I guess. Yeah, I'm taking the pick and pulling it out from the roots so I get a little bit more length, and I kind of go section by section, but at this point my arms were a little weak, so I wasn't doing it as much as I should. But I did it enough to not look bad. Now that I have everything where I wanted, I'm going in with the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. That is a mouthful, y'all. And I'm making sure that my edges don't embarrass me in front of company. And it's real easy. I just smooth it on with my fingertips. I know a lot of people like use brushes and make cool little designs, but my hair kind of speaks for itself, so I wanted everything else to be pretty subtle. Now what you'll see me do is go in and make sure that everything is stretched in order to frame my face as the last touch. I go in with the Curlicious Hydrating Mist and finish out with the Black Vanilla Hair Sheen from Carol's Daughter to make sure that my hair is shiny and moisturized and that it will maintain so every day I don't have to necessarily add in product. Ooh, there you have it, folks. So cute. When I went to bed, I just slapped 3 ponytails on it, then slapped a bonnet over it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video. I hope I gave you all the help you needed. Until next time, Trendy out.